Good evening, good evening, good evening. My name is Aisha Chamila Kadabango. I'm the Shabi and Shaz Creations. I'm coming to do a quick short video on how to use the glutathione set. So we're going to start by just going through what you will get when you buy a set. So this is the glutathione. You will get 4 of these vials. And this is the vitamin C. You'll get 4 of those vials. And this is your month's supply. And it comes also with the glutathione pills. So you will get 4 of each of the vials, which is 1 a week. One of each of this can be used a week. And your pills, which is 2 caplets a day. I personally prefer to do my glutathione treatment in the morning. Some people prefer to do it at night. It's your preference. But you got to take 2 pills a day. You got to divide the glutathione into 7 parts, and you're going to divide the vitamin C into 7 parts. So the easiest way to explain it is I use a disposable spoon or a teaspoon, but it has to be a teaspoon. So I get the teaspoon and I shake to the top of the teaspoon. That'll be my 1 dose. Did I make myself clear? So that'll be my everyday dose. So I'll do the same with the vitamin C as I'm demonstrating with the glutathione. So every day I'll do 1 dose of each and 2 tablets of my pills. And I'll do this for 7 days for 1 vial. And then the second week I'll get 2 other vials, 1 of each for the week 2. Then I'll get 2 vials again for week 3. Then I'll get 2 vials again for week 4. So that gives me a month's supply of glutathione and a month's supply of vitamin C. And my pill will last me a month. So all you do is lift, I'm going to have to talk and then do it. Lift your tongue and put it underneath your tongue because it's sublingual. Once, you gotta give me time for it to dissolve a little bit. You're gonna leave it underneath your tongue for demonstration purposes. I had to swallow that quickly, but you want to leave it underneath your tongue till you feel as if most of it has dissolved, and then you will swallow the rest of it. Now the vitamin C can be a little tart, meaning like a lemony, limey taste to it, and some people say a salty taste to it, depending on your taste buds. So you do the same thing, a little bit of the vitamin C to the top of the spoon, so that'll be a dose for 1 day. Remember that each vial is for a week, so don't go haywire on them, go a little bit. So that's for a week, so you're going to do the same thing. That's my dose for the day, so that's my vitamin C for the day. Tongue up. It is kind of a little sour, but you get used to the taste. That's it. It just off in your mouth. Try not to swallow right away. In actuality, you're supposed to hold it there for a little while before you swallow. So that's how you administer your glutathione and your vitamin C. Each vial, each one of these, that's the glutathione, the white one. The yellow one is the vitamin C. That's how you're supposed to administer each one of them for 7 days. Then week 2, you get, I'm trying to dissolve it, sorry. Week 2, then you get your second vial for week 2, then your third vial for week 3, and then your fourth vial for week 4. Now, that said, your pills have to be taken on a daily basis. So you're going to take 2 pills every day. And most people say they start feeling a difference in their skin. I'm not talking about color now. You got to remember it's an antioxidant. It's going to help your immune system. It's going to help your digestive system. It's going to help your bowel movement system. So it's cleansing your insides. So it's going to detox you. For some reason, it detoxes. For me, at least it does. It detoxes me. It just helps you. And you're going to feel a little more active when you are alive. Your resistance is going to be higher. You're going to be able to resist the common things, the colds and blah, blah, blah. And you're going to start seeing subtle changes. Let me explain. Change number 1. If you have a scar you're going to start seeing it diminishes a little at a time over time. I'm not talking about week 1, week 2, week 3. Don't start calling me and tell me all that nonsense. But the longer you use the glutathione, you start seeing the glow. You start seeing that your skin is toning to one color. You start noticing that hyperpigmentation is going down a little bit. Everything just comes together. You start feeling the softness of your skin you can get with some of the glutathione creams, but you're going to start feeling the softness of your skin, the radiance of your skin, the glow of your skin, and it's just a good feeling. So, for my glutathione people, join the club. My name is Aisha Chamila Kadabangura. I'm the Shabby and Shaz creation. There was a little demonstration for the glutathione cream. I'm trying not to make long videos because I want you guys to get the concept right away about it. My name is Aisha Jamila Kadabangura. Again, I'm the Shabby and Shaz creations. My phone number is 240-288-3414. The number again is 240-288-3414. Let's get your skin in check. Let's celebrate the beauty outside and within us. From my home to your humble home, I thank you very much for watching. Happy Beauty Day. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you.